Hi, I'm Jasmine Tookes and I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup routine. First, I like to start out with a little hydrating eye cream. Really rub that in. Primer Plus Mattifier. Since it's summertime, I think it's really important to use a mattifier. You don't want to be all shiny out there and have to be like applying powder all the time, so this really helps with that. It doesn't leave your skin looking dry either. So this one I like to put in my hot spots, in the eyes, basically the T-zone, here, on my chin. Next, going to use this long wear foundation. I'm gonna mix two. Have a little fun. Got my handy dandy brush. So, fun fact for you, Bobbi Brown was actually one of my first foundations I ever purchased, and I still love it. And I think it has such good tones for my skin. It's easy to mix and play with. All right, concealer time. I really love concealer because it just opens up your eyes, makes you look like you just slept for 20 hours. Gonna use two again. A little down here, little here, not too much. And then anywhere where I have little blemishes, you're not welcome to the party. So I like to blend my concealer in, kind of smudge it in almost into my skin with my fingers. Make sure the color's good. On the chin. All right, looking fresh. Typically for eyebrows, I like to use a powder, and this one is mahogany, and I use a little angled brush. Looks good. Eyes are so fun because you can play around with different colors and tones, and I really love this cream shadow stick. It's golden bronze, and I love golden tones on my skin. Smudge that in. It's perfect for daytime and summertime. All right, mascara time to really make this golden bronze pop even more. I really love this smoky mascara because I really like my lashes to be really black, and this one gives you that effect. Perfect. Now my favorite part, bronzing powder. I take this powder everywhere with me I go. Literally, it's like in my back pocket all the time. So for the bronzer, I'm using the dark tone. It gives such a nice, pretty, sun-kissed glow. Put it on my chin, and also add a little bit on my nose. I'm really sun-kissed. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna work on my cheeks, and I really love this blushed rose color, and I also love that it's a cream blush, so this one keeps you very like hydrated looking and fresh and healthy. Put it on my hand, just apply it. I also like to smile so you can see the apple of your cheek and really get it on there. Nice little glow. You can bring it up here a little. Those cheekbones pop in. Almost, last but not least, I'm going to use the retouching loose powder, and this one is in brown. I don't like to use a lot, just really a little bit under my eyes and in the T-zone. This just really helps to complete the look, and everything looks so smooth and creamy and luscious and beautiful, just what I like. Lastly, my lip balm. Lip balm is key, and whatever beauty look you're doing, lip balm is like your number one. You gotta keep your lips hydrated and kissable and just really moist. All right, so I've just finished my everyday natural matte makeup routine. I hope you like it.